Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the controller and PC. Charge the DualSense, decide Bluetooth or wired, and close Microsoft Flight Simulator so it won't capture inputs. Once done, pair the controller in Windows settings Bluetooth if wireless, or plug the USB-C cable for wired mode. Wired gives lower latency. Make sure Windows recognizes the device as a controller. This step ensures the OS and simulator won't fight over inputs, which simplifies driver selection and mapping later on. Next, install the mapping layer. Steam Input or DS4 Windows helps convert DualSense signals into X input that Flight Simulator expects. Once installed, launch the mapping tool, enable the controller profile, and verify Windows reports it as an X input device. Then start MSFS, go to Controls Devices, and add the detected controller. Create a custom profile and bind throttle, yaw, pitch, and view controls deliberately. Don't rely on defaults. Make sure dead zones and sensitivity. To finish, load an Easy Trainer aircraft and test every control: pitch, roll, yaw, throttle, brakes, and camera. Once done, refine sensitivity and dead zones in the control settings until flight behavior is predictable. If something goes wrong, try the one-key fix. Switch to wired connection, restart MSFS, and reload your custom profile. This clears input conflicts. If issues persist, update controller drivers or remap any conflicting assignments. After that, save the profile, and you're ready to fly with the DualSense.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.